Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Gusti Sofia Rizky Ramadhani, and today I will analyze the video entitled What We Can Do About the Culture of Hate by Sally Kohn. And I will analyze this video with speech act theory. Sally Kohn, in her speech, actually not only to present information but also to carry out the action. We can see this from the choice of words that she said. She gives information, gives fact, promises, suggestion, and so on. Now let's discuss it. First of all, there are three types of speech theory acts: locutionary act, illocutionary act, and verlocutionary act. And then in her speech, Sally uses all three speech act theory, and I will discuss it one by one. And the first one is locutionary act. Of course, Sally uses this because basically she wants to convey information, right? And the example of locutionary act is already at the beginning of the video. She says, "So, people tell me I'm a nice person to the point where it's a part of my personal and professional identity, and I'm so nice and be able to get along with anyone, even my most fierce opponents. It's like my things, it's what I'm known for." So, this video begins with trying to intensify the audience by giving locutionary act or information about her, about the figure of Sally that is known by most people. And then there are many more examples because the locutionary act is usually used in the speech. And then the second one is illocutionary act. I found several types of illocutionary act used by Sally. The first one is representatives. This type is most widely type that used by Sally. For example, she says that when I was 10 years old, I treated another human being like some worthless other and blah 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 blah. It is representatives. Why? Because she gives a fact by retelling events in the past as proof that she is a bully in the past. And then another example of representatives on her uterance is Gordon Alford, the physiologist who pioneered the study of head in the early 1900s, developed what he called a scale prejudice. At one end are things like genocide and other bias motivate violence and blah blah blah. It is clear that she tells a fact. And then the second type of illusionary act that she used is commissive. For example, in her words, "I will tell you there are stories like balsams all over the world. Please study, and blah 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 blah." So here Sally promised the audience will tell other inspiring story like balsam story. And then the third type of illocutionary act that she uses is directives. Here she gives advice so that we can change and shape our culture. For example, in her words, the first step is starting to recognize the head inside ourselves, and the second, if we want to challenge the head in our societies, we need to promote police and institution and blah blah blah. So it is one of example of suggestion, and then there are many more suggestion in her speech. And then the fourth type of electionary act that she used is declaration. So in this speech, the example in this story, the example is in a fake story. She says that we call her Sticky Vicky. I call her Sticky Vicky. So by saying that name, it made Vicky's real name change to Sticky Vicky. And then the fifth type is expressive. Here we can see in the speech that also expresses Sally's guilty feelings for bullying Vicky in the past. We can see the proof from the words that she said, "I'm not going to lie, I want to be forgiven." And then the message from Vicky is also expressive because the expression of forgiveness contains a deep meaning which is directive. She wants Sally revenge what happened to Vicky before as not happen in the future. And then we can see that she said that messages as yours cannot absolve you of your past action. The only way to do that is to improve the world, prevent others from behaving in similar ways, and foster confession. And then in this speech, she also expressed her gratitude to Vicky because thanks to the incident, Sally can now be in this position. This can be seen from the words, and Vicky's right, which is why I'm here. And then now, the last one is perlocutionary act. For example, what if I was actually really mean? Here she seems to want to make someone change her or his view of Sally. She wants to try to make the audience worry whether she is mean or not. And then another example is in the story of Vicky. Sally had shouted, "Sticky Vicky uses white rain shampoo. Don't use white rain shampoo or you'll smell like Sticky Vicky." And these words are a black perlocutory act because Sally makes the listener not want to use the shampoo because fear of being compared to the smell of person being bullied. And after all, this speech does have an effect on us for how to escape hate. She gives an example of the story of Balsam who forgave Israel's soldier who killed his daughter. And then by hearing the story, me as audience became motivated to avoid hating someone. So it could say that the story is for locutionary act because it's give effect to the hearer. And then I think it's enough. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.